Hey guys, Mason here. And as you can see, up here in Canada we have two seasons. We have winter and we have construction. Could be worse. Could be construction in the winter, I guess. Yeah, so you're either stuck behind a plow or you're sitting waiting for a flagman. It's pretty good for your slow riding balance skills. It just feels so great to be back out on the bike. It's been quite a while. We've had some company up. My sister, who lives overseas now with her family, has been over for a visit. And so we've done some camping with them, and it's been fantastic. Anyway, like I was saying, construction season is fully upon us on the roadways. I'm trying to make it up to old Mason's here. He is changing the rear tire on his bike. I think he bought the last T63 in existence. Apparently they're not making those anymore, which is a shame because he absolutely loves them. They work really well for him on the gravel, and you know, all in all, he doesn't even get that bad of mileage out of them. I think he gets like 6,000 K out of the rear, which is pretty good. Not quite through to the cords, but getting pretty close. See if we can sidetrack a little bit of this traffic. I don't know whether that helped or not, but it sure felt better than sitting downtown. Oh, look at this. I got old Mason and a fresh rear tire. Hey! Well, there wasn't very many kilometers left in that poor old boot.
It was getting right skittish. Any bit of sand or anything on the roads, you just step right out on you. Nah.
Look at even these, eh? Angled. That's awesome. Good tire, eh? You have good luck with those.
5,700 and change.
5,700 kilometers. Yes, a lot of gravel road, eh? Yeah, bit of work, isn't it? Look at the size of the knobbies on the new one, though.
Tell me. I was just checking out the arrow the right way around.
Boy, are those ever squared off nice. Oh, it feels good to get moving. It's a perfect riding day. Well, guys, I bit the bullet and ordered a new Garmin. This is a GPS Map 60C, and I mean, it's awesome for around here, but it doesn't have any maps on it other than this area. And because it's so old, the little tiny memory card that's in it, which was the maximum of the day when that was made, is full. And really, I mean, other than sort of modeling around here, it's not of much use to me if I go further afield. And it certainly has no headroom if I want to add a waypoint or something, so it truly is just a little tiny map. Now the strange thing about it is that the new one arguably looks identical. There's some small differences down here on the buttons, but for all intents and purposes, it's exactly the same unit. It's just the GPS Map 64S, and I ordered the Backroads map book that goes along with it for Ontario. So that should give me some excellent maps for the vicinity I tend to ride in. And I did get a great deal on the unit, but it still isn't cheap. Now, because of that, I thought, well, I'll just go with my phone. I'll just make that into my GPS, which arguably it is with about 3 different programs. But it's fairly difficult to find one that will track you, and so that you can take the track of where you went, take it to your computer at home at night, and make it into a route and send it to friends. And, I found a couple programs that do work. I found one recently that's awesome. It's called Gaia, G-A-I-A, and it is free, and then there's a paid version, which I paid for, and it works fantastic. But the problem I'm having is that as soon as I open Gaia out and about, it is just chewing my data plan. And it is supposed to be able to use offline apps or offline maps, which I have downloaded to the memory card on my phone. But I can't seem to use them offline unless I shut the data off to my phone, and then I don't get my messages. I'll be the first one to admit that I'm likely doing something wrong. I don't know. I've learned a lot of stuff about how to put videos on YouTube, but for some reason I struggle with some of the GPS apps and even the Garmin apps. As far as using the base camp and moving stuff around, I have to spend some time and try to get it sorted. But Melon One and I are looking into doing a trip here in a couple of weeks, and I can't be gone for a week in the back country and have a mapping program that every time it's open is just sucking gigs of data, because I can't afford that. So unless there's some way to just make it offline maps only, which I can't seem to find in the app, I'll do some more research on it anyway. Regardless, the money's been sent and it's in the mail, my new Garmin. So for the time being, it's going to get backroad maps put on it. I'm going to import the Trans-Canada Trail, the TCAT waypoints, and Melon One and I are going to head out somewhere over towards the Ottawa area. We're going to pick up the TCAT, and we're going to work our way back over towards this area. So that's the plan. I'll keep you posted. Maybe when the Garmin comes out, nah, like they won't. I was going to say maybe when the Garmin comes in, I'll do an unboxing, but I mean, it's the GPS Map 64S, and there's 100 unboxings up there already. So go and have a look if you're interested to see what I bought. It certainly isn't a new piece of electronics. It's something that's been around for quite a while. A lot of guys have already had it a year or so, maybe even 2. When it comes to these heavy-duty hardcore ones, Garmin hasn't done many changes in a while. And I want something I can take off the bike and walk with too. I really did want a handheld. So yeah, there it is. There's a sneak peek at what the trip will be, and an update on my GPS situation. And all that while cruising some beautiful twisty blacktop. So that's it. I don't know if this will make it into a vlog or not, but if it does, and somehow you made it through that one, thanks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking through it. God, I guess that was an update vlog. Man, I hate those things. Sorry guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. That's it for me. I am out of here. Mind how you go. Bye for now. Loose gravel, boy, they're not kidding. They've just put like 10 inches on this sucker. Woohoo! think I'm just about like the second person to drive down this, to be honest. Can I still go straight through? No. No, the only way is left. Well, that was fun. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.